This is single transverse fillet weld made between plates P1 and P2 of width L. P is the load applied to the plates. Here the thickness of the plate is 10 mm. This is also the size of the weld. Yes. The length of the plate is 103 mm. Permissible tensile strength of the weld material is 70 megapascal. And this is a double transverse fillet weld made between plates 1 and 2 with two fillet welds shown here and here, and this is the leg or size of the fillet weld, which is also equal to the thickness of the plate. Now the effective area of the fillet weld is the throat thickness of the weld into width of the plate. The throat thickness of the weld passes through the meeting point of the adjacent leg of the weld. This is 45 degree and here it is 90 degree. This is the throat thickness T. We know sine 45 degree is equal to opposite T by adjacent hypotenuse S. Therefore, the throat thickness of the weld can be written as 0.707 times the leg or size of the weld. We need to find the strength of the single transverse fillet weld. Here, the area of the weld or throat area is equal to throat thickness into length or width of the weld, which is equal to 0.707 times the leg or size of the weld S into length of the weld. On substituting the value, we will get the area of the weld or throat area of the weld. Now, since the permissible tensile strength of the weld material is known, multiplying this with the area of the weld gives the load bearing capacity of the plate in tension. So we get the load value as 51 kilonewton. Up to 51 kilonewton of load applied to the plate, there won't be any failure of the weld in tension. Beyond the value of 51 kilonewton, there is possibility for the weld to fail. And this is the double transverse fillet weld. Here we need to find the load bearing capacity of the plate weld. Here the area of the weld or throat area is 2 times. We will multiply the number as here 2 with the area of the weld or throat area, since 2 welds are made here, is equal to 2 into throat thickness into length. Again, the value of throat thickness is 0.707 into leg or size of the weld, and substituting all the values we will get the area of the weld or throat area of the weld. The load on the plate is calculated by multiplying the area of the weld into the permissible tensile strength of the weld material. On solving, we will get the load bearing capacity of the weld as 102 kilonewton. Here, compared to single transverse fillet weld, the load increases by 2 times. It is visible. Here it is 51 kilonewton. Now it is 102 kilonewton. Since 2 fillet welds are made, any load beyond 102 kilonewton, the weld will fail in tension in a double transverse fillet weld. Thank you. If you like this knowledge sharing, please subscribe to have further technical discussion.